Day 8 on the peaks of the Balkans, and stage 4 has just begun. We have just left the Bashkimi guest house, and on our final day we are heading back into Kosovo, finishing at the little settlement of Milishev. Initially we've hit a bit of a problem. The bridge is down, so it's a little bit of a river crossing, that's fine. More concerning than that is we're heading right up there. We've got 400 metres up, over about a mile and a half, I think it said. So that's the first task of the day. The fog has rolled in and we were heading the wrong way. Going up there, had it completely wrong. Didn't check the map. We should be going up just on the other side of this thing. That could have been a bad mistake. That's my fault, because last night, sat down there, I was looking up here, I could see this clear path coming around here. Had it in my head that was the way to go. We got maybe, I don't know, halfway up there. Checked our devices and didn't seem right, and that would have been bad news, so we've had to come back. Isaac's contouring round. 100 metres to go. I'm just catching my breath. I can see all the day's hikers making their way up. Almost there. Come on, mate, we've made it to the top. We're right beside this peak here. Now this is called Tromada, and the significance is it's at the point of it's border point for 3 countries: Albania, Montenegro and Kosovo. How cool is that? Lost the path, it's a bit unclear, but we're going to head for what looks like a track over there, and it looks like it's maybe a shelter over there. Here we are, this is us. No, basic, isn't it? Temperature has dropped. What we've got now is a ridge walk passing some peaks. We're heading for the Roshkadol Pass, which is 3 miles away. At that point the path does become unclear. You can fork left or right. Right is the shorter way we're hoping to take. So this peak here we're walking towards is called Bogeek, and then we come around the side of it and we're heading for the Beliga Pass. Excuse the pronunciations. Lost the path somewhere here, but taking a bearing, and I'm going to be going sort of that way. One mile out now from the Roshkadol Pass. That'll be our highest point of today, just over 2,200. It's been a ridge walk so far of about 2000, 2100. Weather can't make its mind up. It's been jackets on, jackets off. I think we've got about 150 metre of incline to come. Well, thank God we've made it. Just coming down from the Roshkodol Pass. That's been hard work this morning, but we're now officially back into Kosovo. There was a sign back there that said 1 hour to Roshkodol, which is the next settlement we want to just walk through. Perhaps somewhere down here. Day 8, and it's beginning to take its toll on us both. Aches and pains are setting in. Now we're actually on a bit of a shortcut. It's not waymarked as Peaks of the Balkans, but it leads down to Roshkodol, which is good enough for us. We've got 3.5 miles, 700 metres down, so it shouldn't be too brutal. The official path takes you back on that ridge line up there, which we walked on the first day, but that would involve a sharper descent into Roshkodol. It was all going so well. We've made a boo-boo, followed a wrong path, so I think we have to whack through these trees.
I'm heading to the left of the river.
Are you?
Yeah.
You found one?
Where are you?
I'm here.
Yeah, I think I'm near you.
Okay. Absolute nightmare. Let's go this way. Well, I found the path. Absolutely soaked, scratched to bits. Come on, come through. We have arrived at Roshkodol, little summer settlement. The final push is about to begin. We've just left Roshkodol. We've now got 2.4 miles, 255 metres up to Milashev. Water source.
Yeah, water source. Oh, brilliant. Oh.
One of the first guest houses as we enter Milashev. I'm on the final push. Isaac's having a little break. He's knackered. Oh, so am I. I'm going to push on to the high point. 5 minutes up here. And then about 20 minutes to where we're heading, which is a guest house, which is sorting us out with a Jeep transfer. Come on then, no more climbing. We've got 80 metres down, 15-minute walk to that guest house. That's going to be lovely. So that stone building is where we're heading to. Cooler guest house. Come on. Get there, toilet, beer to celebrate, and then wait for matey boy in his Jeep to take us back down to the Rogova Valley where we started, pick up a suitcase, drop us back in Peja or Pej, and then we're going to get a taxi into Pristina, meet up with Lynchy, and a couple of nights out in town celebrating again. Our journey on the peaks of the Balkans has come to an end. It's been eventful, it's been epic, it's been bloody difficult. Brilliant time, brilliant time.
Hated it.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.